Discover the innovation of Hirose's BM54 series, one of the world's smallest width-class floating board-to-board connectors designed for automotive applications where precision and performance are critical. Key attributes of the BM54 series include its ultra-compact design leads its class in miniaturization, making it ideal for space-constrained environments. It features a floating range of plus or minus 0.4 millimeters in the X and Y directions to absorb misalignment, ensuring reliable connections and improving manufacturing efficiency. High heat resistance up to 125 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for demanding environments such as automotive applications. It supports high-speed transmission standards like PCIe Gen 4 and MIPI D-PHY Ver.2.1, which are essential for cutting-edge electronic systems. And finally, its two-point contact design enhances connector reliability, mitigating dust and environmental challenges. Optimized for sophisticated electronics found in today's advanced automotive and robotic systems, front and rear cameras, displays, radar, and LiDAR systems, the BM54 series excels in delivering high-performance connectivity solutions. Stay ahead of the curve with the BM54 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.